Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a post on TikTok. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Wait for it, and once done, go ahead over to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find the post that you wanted to delete. For example, this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, what you got to do is just find the three dots, okay, or the menu button. Just tap on it. And then once done, at the very bottom, you have these tabs, okay? So what you'll do is just go ahead and swipe right, all the way right. And as you can see here, besides add to story, you have the delete button. So all you got to do is just tap on delete, wait for it to load. You can go ahead and delete and re-edit. If not, just click on delete, okay? And by the way, you can go ahead and restore this post within 30 days from Activity Center in the settings section. Okay, again, if you're really sure that you wanted to delete the post, just tap on delete. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's how easy it is to delete a post on TikTok. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.